Alright guys, we are in a great place, designed nice, lights everywhere, sauces all over the place, all up there. This is a great place. I love this place. Tons of sauces on that. Look at Alabama white sauce, mustard barbecue. Beautiful. Yeah, this is all exciting. Let's go show you the menu now. What is that?
That's the mustard.
That's the mustard barbecue right there. Yeah. I'm very excited because we haven't had mustard barbecue yet. We've gone to 2 restaurants, so they have everything here. Now let's look at their today's special from the smokehouse. Smoked jalapeno pimento cheese and Ritz crackers, pork rind nachos, hot dog sandwich, or whole hog and smoked sausage, top with coleslaw. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Coconut pie. Okay, so I want to get one of those hot dog sandwiches, and we'll cut it in like 4s or 5s. We'll cut it 5 pieces, so everybody can try it. Spicy habanero margaritas. Are you serious? I don't even drink it. That sounds fun.
You can give one to Robert, or whatever.
Let Robert review it. I don't drink. Robert drinks. I don't. T-shirt, $20. Trucker hat, $25. Koozie. What are koozies again? I forgot.
I think koozies are the, I think that's over your face, I think.
Anyway, the koozies. We are at Swig and Swine, just so in case you don't know. And they have more than one location. Let me move this here. Here's the apps and salads. Brisket blue salad. Beautiful. Sides, mac and cheese, coleslaw, baked potato, greens, bean and brisket, pickled vegetables. That might be interesting, pickled vegetables. Corn pudding, Virginia slaw, grits. Okay. Alright, so ribs are interesting. Barbecue.
They don't have chicken again.
They don't have chicken again?
I guess chicken is not a thing here.
How do you not the first place had chicken? Oh, there is chicken.
Oh, is there?
Whole chicken right there.
Okay, cool.
Don't scare me.
Okay, cool.
I can't.
Do you want to start off with any pork rinds or fried pickles?
What's your favorite appetizer?
The Tabasco honey pork rinds.
Sure. We'll have pork rinds. Thank you. Okay, we just ordered. Did you see that?
That's the funny thing. It's
Tabasco
like,
honey pork rinds.
I'm a Yank, so like I come down here and people are like, "Well, you eat this and this and this." I'm like, "No."
It's real simple. It's hot and sweet, and hot and salty. They'll go together always.
You're recording these.
Okay, what do you got there?
So this is a moist towelette.
Right.
For some reason, no other place that we have visited today has actually cared about this. This is a moist towelette that saves you. There's no sticky residue left anywhere. No stains on your shirt. You don't need Tide. This is a moist towelette.
Can you tell Scott's getting used to the criticisms? He's nailing them everywhere he goes, man. He was yelling at the guy at 7-Eleven. I don't know what he wanted. I don't know why he was yelling.
Doesn't matter. The Slurpee was the wrong color.
Slurpee was also a little loose. I noticed it wasn't as fluffy and moist. It was a little dry.
A vinegar slaw?
Yeah.
I think that's what we need.
Hey, guys. Okay, vinegar, slaw, or coleslaw, which one do we want to order?
Well, so we have to talk about that because I know you guys are going to want to get ribs like you have been.
So here's what I'm going to already, I'm analyzing this. We have sauces from all around the South. We got mustard, we got white jalapenos, we got darks, we got
You sound like a beer connoisseur.
right? So I'm going to guess that the menu also corresponds to various ones. So that's why we have vinegar and we have the regular.
Right. Okay, so the question is, guys, are we ordering the vinegar slaw or the coleslaw?
I go with coleslaw.
Me too. And I believe the coleslaw will probably be a mix of vinegar and mayo. We'll find out.
Never know.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to repeat vinegar slaw again. I think they're going to add a little bit of mayo and call it coleslaw.
Yeah.
I have no idea. Okay, and we're doing ribs? You still want to do ribs? I don't believe...
No,
they don't have beef
not.
ribs, no. What's the big nasty? Chopped brisket, barbecue onions, jalapeno, and queso.
It's a sandwich. It's a sandwich.
Right down here.
That's a sandwich.
It's called the Big Nasty.
Yeah, it's a sandwich. We're not getting sandwiches.
I want the Big Nasty.
You're not getting it.
What?
The dessert.
Chocolate bourbon pecan pie.
That just made my stomach go.
Have you heard that? Have you had that?
Pecan pie is awesome. Super sweet, right?
Yeah.
But then chocolate bourbon on
Are
top
you
of
allowed
it?
to eat chocolate bourbon pecan pie.
Why wouldn't I be?
We're not waiting for him.
Dude, get his email address. Let's go. Okay, what is it? What is this again, guys? Pork rinds,
Pork
right?
With a sweet sauce on them.
It's Tabasco pork rinds with a dip.
With pimento cheese.
Really, they're honey Tabasco. She's gonna let us know what she thinks. Should be a sweet heat. I'm guessing.
We need to be out of here with any.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well.
Otherwise, it would be like 3.5 hours.
No, gotcha. So, guys, we're gonna be quick about this. I'm not filming a lot here. I'll get pictures. We'll talk about it later.
I mean, that's really good.
I really like the pimento
This
cheese.
is like a family environment. That's the one thing that's not on the script.
Wait, you're interrupting Kathy.
I do apologize.
Hold on a minute.
I am so sorry.
Okay. So
Okay, say that again.
The pimento cheese is amazing. Lots of cheesy flavor.
Oh,
And
that's
then
good for cheese.
After about 20 seconds,
Right?
then you feel the heat
Really?
from the pork rind because it's
Is
sprinkled on.
Is it a sweet heat together?
Yes.
Really? Okay,
It's
guys.
very unique, but very, very good.
All right, and that once again is Tabasco honey pork rinds with a dip. While everybody's getting samples, okay. So I told you before we started that you probably after this won't have barbecue for a few months. But if you look, I can't stop laughing at her plate. Look at this is the last stop for the day. But we've already eaten at 2 barbecue joints, so we're full of barbecue. Yep. And she has a nibble literally in every corner of her plate. I love it. And that's how I get. Of course, Tammy's giving me a little bit more than a nibble.
What are we going with?
We're gonna. Why don't we start with the sauces before you put flavors in your mouth? Take this tray here. Use that tray. Empty it out. Oh, there you go. Get that one. All right, we're gonna go one at a time. You're doing Alabama white sauce.
And I'm gonna put mustard in the other side because I can taste both of them.
And then that's the Carolina mustard.
So
Okay.
I'm gonna start with Carolina mustard.
Okay, start with Carolina mustard. That's good.
Definitely like yellow mustard, but with vinegar tang on the back end.
Really?
Yeah.
Would you put on anything?
I actually would. I would probably put on vegetables, and then also I would. It probably is going to work good because I'm seeing some dry rubs on the meat. It's probably going to work with the chicken. And
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
now I go Alabama white sauce.
And Alabama white sauce.
Let me go again.
Interesting. Everybody has a different twist on Alabama white sauce,
So it's almost like the initial taste for me is almost like it's the ranch,
right?
and then it gets a little tang on the back end.
Really?
That's interesting.
What about the other ones?
So
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay, so
What's that?
this is the red like ketchup sauce.
That's the red ketchup sauce. Oh, that's the West Coast, North Carolina style.
Yeah,
Okay.
this the thin one
They're
is
more ketchup.
the vinegar more sauce.
And the thinner
The
one,
middle
no.
one is the jalapeno sauce.
That's jalapeno
Right,
right
so this
there.
is jalapeno,
So yeah, we'll do the ketchup one first.
then vinegar,
Then,
then jalapeno.
yeah. Look at that. There's more vinegar. Yep.
That's
The
like
vinegar
water.
cuts it.
All right, so we'll do regular ketchup base.
Okay.
Different layers in there. Sort of a smokiness, and then there's
Can you taste the ketchup in it?
you can taste the ketchup, but then there's something on the back end of it that like a second or two later it sort of hit. Interesting. Very interesting.
Okay.
All right, vinegar.
Vinegar one.
Just a subtle vinegar.
Right.
That's actually not overpowering at all.
Really?
Yeah.
You just set that down. Let me see.
And then the last is the jalapeno.
Jalapeno, I'm gonna like the best. I know it.
Yeah.
It's the best,
Pretty
isn't
good.
it?
Oh, there's the creeping heat.
Wow. Whoa. I didn't think jalapeno
creeped
was
up.
that hot.
That'll
Wow.
make a
creeped
ni-
up.
That'll make a guy sing.
That was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to tear up.
Oh my gosh.
That was good. Just sauce.
Okay, which one is that? Coleslaw?
Coleslaw.
All right.
It's a really good mix of. Has a little vinegar, but the mayonnaise is good.
Nice.
Rebel.
So it's a combo.
Yes, it's kind of sweet,
Nice.
so it's very good.
Okay, there's a thumbs up on the coleslaw. And then what is that again? That's
Mac and cheese.
That's mac and cheese, right?
This one to me has the most flavor of any of the.
The that we've had today?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're finding a positive review on the mac and cheese. Nice.
And this is a pickled vegetable. Collard green.
Pickled vegetables.
Collard green, yes.
Collard green, okay.
Very
Different?
unique.
Unique. Yeah, I thought it would be.
It's sweet.
Really? That means they added a little sugar to the vinegar. The pickled in. What are you laughing at?
I love the description.
Hold on, I'm going to film her watching you, giving you dirty looks. What are you talking? Why are you interrupting her review? We have one more thing to do with her. Go ahead.
Okay, baked beans.
Baked beans. Here we go. Everything's been good so far.
Beans are a little crunchy,
A little crunchy.
but they have the brisket in it, and
Oh,
they're
that's
sweet.
good. So we do get brisket
Good.
with the beans.
Yes.
Beautifully smoked, beautifully cut. I love St. Louis style. It's a lot cleaner looking. You still get all the meat from a spare rib. I love it. Let's give it a try. It almost tastes like they cooked these yesterday and reheated them. Does anybody feel that way? Because this is a cold. Oh no, I'm calling it, man. I'll be the bad guy. I don't care. No, I know, but I get it, guys. What we're missing is freshness, and I never realized I could tell an aged rib before until now. It just tastes like leftover ribs. Not a fan of the ribs overall, and that's why I think they weren't freshly made. That's my take. So what is it? Is this chicken right here? Chicken. I can feel dryness. I haven't even bitten it. I can feel there's no moisture in this chicken. Let's try it. It's way dry. Hold on. Gonna try my baked beans. The sweetness level on the beans is good, but it's missing. I would have put more mustard in it. I would have put bacon in it. I would have put, this feels, once again, the meat in it feels a little aged. Little solid, little dry, even though it's brisket. But so, I'm just being picky, I'm sorry, but that's just my opinion. The beans are just okay. Okay, hold on, because Robert's just going off right now. Robert, say it again. No, say it again, because you're so true. I totally agree with you.
We did these in the right order today. So the first one was absolutely amazing. I can't stress that enough. The meat was cooked to perfection. And with grilling, I become a critic on that. It's so easy to over dry the meat, overcook it, undercook it, all kinds of stuff. The only thing I could say bad about it is they could have used a pinch more seasoning on the meat. I guess they were relying on the sauces, which is a personal choice and nothing wrong with it. The sides were hearty, they were good. The mac and cheese lacking, but it's mac and cheese, come on. The second was really good. Solid, good one. This third one, it could not have sucked more. Just to give it the
See, we're not in there anymore. We can be honest. It was I can't believe they have another spot.
Everything there tastes like it sat in a warmer for the majority of the day and just dried out. Maybe if we got here when they opened it, it'd have been different. But I like that we got an honest, what every customer would get.
Yeah.
Every bit of the meat was dry.
It was all leftover food. That's what it
Yes.
tasted like. I felt like I ate some. I went over to somebody's table and ate their leftovers from last night. I just want to compliment the high point in this place, and that is the server, the lady who helped us. She was amazing. She made recommendations. She served us everything. So, once again, the staff was top notch. Guys, these people are super nice, and that, I really wish them the best. But I probably won't be stopping back in, and we are now heading to North Carolina to talk about the east side and the west side of North Carolina and the differences, okay? We'll talk about that in a minute. It's weird. Something about the west side is more ketchup based and the east side's more vinegar and mustard based. So we'll see how that goes. I did not think every place we go to would have Alabama white sauce, because nowhere in Tennessee but Mission Barbecue has Alabama white sauce. So it's not a staple. It's not like mac and cheese. So anyway, we're on the road, gotta go. Love you guys.